So, this is the third year Swamp Fox has put on a technology conference. It's the leading technology conference today in the country, directed solely at the logging industry. We're out here at Auburn University at their track testing grounds. We've had a series of loggers from across the Southeast go through self-driving trucks. So we've managed in the third year to continually expose our loggers, whether we work with them or not, to the most current technology that's available for their benefit of operating their vehicles in the country.
Well, let's go ahead and take a ride.
Okay.
We're going to go for a little road trip with a truck that's equipped with the most advanced Phoenix system, and I'll give kind of a demonstration on what it offers and what it does on the road. The most experience that I've had with the truck when I've driven them, and I don't drive a lot, but when I do, is with the crash mitigation. As you're approaching or closing the distance between you and the vehicle in front of you, whether you're at a different rates of speed or they pull out in front of you, you begin to get warnings, and they become more critical as the situation becomes more critical. But it'll start warning you even as far back as 300 feet if the speeds are appropriate. So more than a distance, it's a speed and distance variable that helps you to start preparing for what might happen or what is happening. Coming up on a dump truck as we speak, I'm going to set my cruise on your screen on your truck, which all trucks pretty much come with that. It's already showing that we're too close, and the truck itself is slowing down. We were running 64. Now we're running 60. Now the dump truck has changed lanes. Now it's no longer picking up that truck in front of us. And now it's going back to 64. Now I can change lanes. She's braking. See there? See how it's braking? That's a prime example of what it do. It come on the screen, it says driver take over. Cruise is cut back off, and now it's in the driver's hands. It'll brake that fast, to keep you from rear-ending that vehicle. We've had a car pull out in front of one of our trucks last year, and the truck started reacting before the driver did. It 100% totally saved the accident. There's no doubt. And that one accident could have cost us our company. So it doesn't take a lot of wins to make it worthwhile. That one save for sure has made it worthwhile.